Welcome friends. Today we are going to discuss about question tag. Question tag is the word itself only indicating it's a short of a question. Question tag are not a complete question in itself. You can see do not, its a contract is do not or don't. Is not, isn't. Question tag are two types. One is the positive question and another one is the negative question tag. Positive question and negative. Previous time you studied positive sentence and negative sentence like. But here we are going to be find positive question tag and negative question tag. Now we are going to study what is positive question tag. See, positive question tag, if the question tag is attached to a negative statement, it is said to be positive question. See example, he is not learning. He is not learning. See, down you can observe, he is not learning. It is a not is the negative statement. When it is come answer, if it is going to form a question tag, is E. EC is the question positive tag. So from the definition you can understand, if the question tag is attached to a negative statement, negative sentiments which one? He is not learning. It is said to be positive question. So we want to make it is positive question tag, that is EC. In this positive question tag, it's very important we have to learn, that is a structure. What is a structure? Auxiliary verb plus subject plus question mark. Once again see, structure, what mean? Auxiliary verb plus subject plus question mark. Next we can see what is the negative question tag. Tags are said to be negative if the attached to be a positive statement. Tags are said to be negative if it is attached to a positive statement. See example, we are working. We are working is the positive statement. We want to make are. We want to make already are not we. Structure is auxiliary verb plus not plus subject plus question. I hope that you can understand. The structure is auxiliary verb plus not plus subject plus question mark. See, if you have the example I have given here, do not, don't, does not, does not, does not, does not, is not, isn't. Here few things to keep in mind. One is the question never start with a capital letter. A question is never start with the capital letter or not. Example, see, we should write aren't. Aren't means are not. Subject of a tag can never be noun, it always pronoun. It's always a pronoun. Example, Kavita has not eaten. See, Kavita has not eaten. Has she? In case of there is no auxiliary verb in the sentence, then we want to use do, does, did is used in the tag. Example, see, they went to temple. There is not at all find the any auxiliary verb. See, they went to temple. So went, it is a past tense are there. We want did not they. The question is what is it? Did not they. Verb 1 do, verb 2 is did. So here, while you are going to be study the question tag, we want little bit to understand the verb form. V1, V2, V3 also very important in this. But here, it is one of when we want to just to know the structure, negative question tag and positive question tag. If you know, you can able to be make very easy. Here, some subject of the statement and subject of tag I have given. See, this if it is statement are there meant we want to use it. That if it is there meant we want to use it only. Those, they, these, they, one, it. So I hope that you can understand very easiest method of to frame to answer a question tag. Have a nice day. Thank you.